Today's recipe of the week is peas. Peas are high in vitamin C, A and B, calcium and iron. Today's recipe, I'm going to be making peas and cucumbers. I have all my ingredients assembled, and I have 2 tablespoons of olive oil in my pan. I'm first going to add the red onion, Today's vegetable of the week is peas. Peas are high in vitamin C, A and B, calcium and iron. Today I'm going to make a quick recipe using peas and cucumbers. I have all my ingredients assembled, and I have my 2 tablespoons of olive oil in the pan. So now I'm going to add my red onion. I'm going to let that cook on medium-high for just a few minutes till they get nice and translucent. You don't want to brown them for this recipe. You want them to stay nice and bright. The color of the red onion is really beautiful in the recipe, so you just want to make sure that it just sautés very lightly, and that usually takes only about 2 to 3 minutes. After that, then I'm going to add the peas. You can use fresh or frozen. I have a mixture of both for this recipe because my peas are starting to come on in my garden. I've used petite peas for this recipe, but you can use any type of peas that you like. Now, along with the red onion, you don't want your peas to brown either. You just want to saute them really lightly so that the flavors combine. And right now it's looking really colorful in the pan, the nice red and green. Now I'm going to add some cubed ham. If you want to keep this completely vegetarian, you can leave the ham out. But I think this makes a nice addition, especially if you're using this for a picnic or a barbecue. It adds a little protein for anyone that would like to have that. But you could easily leave that out, and it still tastes just as delicious on its own. The ham that I'm using is already pre-cooked. So again, all you have to do is combine your flavors, and we're not going to let the ham brown. We're going to make sure everything stays nice and fresh and bright in the pan. So you don't want to walk away from the pan while you're making this recipe. But it's a really quick cook, quick and easy for the summer, easy to pack in a picnic. And when everything is just nicely combined, so all the flavors get married, you can either serve this up warm, or you can chill this and serve it cold for later. It's still nice and colorful. Now I'm going to add everything to my serving dish and plate it up. I hope you enjoyed this demonstration. For this recipe and others, go to the University of Delaware Cooperative Extension's website at extension.udel.edu under the Nutrition, Food Safety, and Health tab.